Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install R from the CRAN website. So if you want to look for R, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser. And you can make a Google search for CRAN R, and it takes you to the comprehensive R archive network, and it also shows you that a place where you can download R for Windows. So if you want to download Windows version or the Mac OS version, you can simply go directly to it, or you can go to the CRAN, which is the Comprehensive R Archive Network website. And also download R, and install R. So R is updated twice a year, and the current version as of this as of today was released in July 2019, and that is a 3.6.1 version. And you can also look at what's new in each version. And also, if you want an older version of R, you can click here and get the older version of R. But for most of you who will be using Windows machine, all you have to do is go and click on that download R for Windows. And the base is basically what you want to get. And if you're installing R for the first time, this is one to install R for the first time. So you can click here, and it'll give you download R 3.6.1 for Windows. You just click on it and save the file, and then once you get the file, you can install it like any other program. Of course, you need to have administrator access on your machine to install R. And by default, R installs both the 36-bit and the 64-bit versions, but you can choose to just install 64-bit version if you have a 64-bit machine.